Hello everyone. Let's start with the textbook reading of chapter Sound. We hear many sounds around us at all the time. Some are pleasant sounds like music and songs, while some are irritating noise like screeching of horns. There are some sounds that we cannot hear at all, but some birds and animals can, like ultrasonic or infrasonic. Okay. Next, sometimes we can hear an echo of our own sound when it gets reflected over a long distance, which is more than 17. Okay, more than 70. Let us now study how sound travels, properties of sound, and different instruments which produce sound. So, these are some important points of sound. First, sound is form of energy. Second, speed of sound is 331.5 meter per second at 0 degrees centigrade. In air, if air is at 0 degrees centigrade, then speed of sound is 331.5. And if we heat the air, if the temperature of air is more than 0 degrees centigrade, then the speed of sound will be more than 331.5. Okay. Next, speed of sound is lesser than light, hence during lightning light is seen first and sound is heard afterwards. Next, speed of sound is maximum in solids, then in liquid, then in air, and 0 in vacuum. Okay. Yes, vacuum means empty space. See, because in universe there is vacuum. Okay, so when we talk with each other in the universe, like in moon, there is no atmosphere, no air, that there is vacuum, so we can't hear each other's voice, because sound cannot travel in vacuum. It needs a material medium. Next, means speed is more in denser medium. Okay, in iron it is 4500, in water is 1460, in air it is 340 meter per second approximately. Next is sound travels in the form of longitudinal wave, and light is transverse wave. Sound is reflected back and produces echo. To hear an echo, the distance should be more than 17 meters. See, this is longitudinal wave. It travels like this. Vibrates, then moves. Then vibrates, then moves. So this is compression. This is rarefaction. Compression, rarefaction. Compression and rarefaction. Like this, the wave moves. Next, the depth of oceans and seas is found with the help of sonar, sound navigation, and ranging, in which sound waves are reflected from the bottom of oceans. We can hear sound frequency 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Bat can hear sound more than 20,000 Hz. With this, they can fly even at night. So, bats can hear ultrasonic frequencies. Ultra means more than 20,000 Hz. Next, sound cannot travel through vacuum. Sound waves need medium for their propagation, hence sound cannot be heard on moon. Next, persistence of sound. Effect of sound remains for 1/10 of the second in our brain cells. So we can make out two separate sounds if heard after 1/10 second. And if we hear next sound before the 1/10 second of earlier sound, then we can't hear it properly. It will be overlapping in our mind. Okay. Next, this is sonar. Sound navigation and ranging. Used to find depth of ocean. See, this is a ship. It has one transmitter, and the sound waves goes like this and returns back. And when it returns back, it is returned to this detector. Detector and transmitter are two instruments. This is seabed. And other, you don't need so much labeling. Okay, this is water surface, we all know, and this is boat or ship. Other labelings are not so much important. Fine. In next video, we will cover next page of this book.